Hello, welcome to this wonderful little video of what it is that I am choosing to share with you. Hi, first of all, I am Theresa Gagnon, the lead teacher for the theresagagnon.com training program that I am now offering as a private training program. In the decades of being a yoga guide and lead teacher for the Yoga Alliance affiliated training programs, I've realized that groups are fantastical. I love groups. Yet I've been listening very closely to the needs of the individual wanting to become a lead yoga teacher, finding that they haven't had the time. Most households are two incomes, and there's not a lot of time to carve out for the creativity that you choose to want to be a part of, and that is being a yoga teacher. So what I've done is I've created a private program for you. Yes, for you. It'll be based on your schedule, your time, and we'll do this together step by step, covering not only the philosophy, the insightfulness of today's modern needs for the yoga student. There's a lot of needs in recovery, in physicalities that have changed, and people need to choose to kind of quell the mind and to face what it is that they're letting go of. So we cover a lot of philosophy and insightfulness into the modern day of what our needs are. This is a really important piece of the training program. As well as we'll cover the chakras and how this whole system has arrived from ancients and times ago and what it really means today in our system, in our body. As well as we'll cover a lot of the anatomy and knowing what is my body, what is it made up of, and what are the important parts of my major organs and the bowels in having a healthier and more viable living body, right? So really taking care of yourself. This is about you peeling away the layers and seeing yourself first as that yoga student, and then learning to be unconditional and loving with yourself so that you can be that intrepid voyager as a yoga guide lead teacher. So I'm inviting you into practice a numerous amount of philosophies, including pranayama, breath. What is the importance of breath? So let us do this together, and it really is about you making this decision and committing. I am here for you. If you live locally, this resonates with you. One-on-one, we are doing this program together to mindfully open your mind, your heart, and really get into the gut of what it is that you're truly wanting to share in this world. Because remember, I am the other you. We are universe, and literally, we're all connected, and we all have our gifts. We all have the ability to shine. It is time for you to shine. Join me in this fabulous journey, one-on-one. Let's get to the nitty-gritty, and let us really be who we are meant to be in the authenticity of really shining our heart's desires. I am here for you. You can email me at info@theresagagnon.com. All the information is there here on my website, and also you can click to download the information, and let's get this party started, because honestly, it's all up to you. I'm here to support you on your journey. Namaste.